Here at the bandsaw, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the square tubing first. I'll get the square tubing cut. It'll just give me a good visual. When I build stuff, I think about it in my mind. I think about what it's going to look like, and then every piece that I build, I kind of lay it out, and it just adds to the picture. So just having a reference of how big and how long this thing is going to be, it just helps through the design process in my head. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the square tubing, and like I said, the I-beam is 7 inches long. We want 3 feet from both sides of that I-beam. So that's going to be a total of 6 inches plus 7 inches, whatever that inches that comes out to be. Let's take a look here. So that's 6 feet. I said 6 inches, I meant 6 feet. Plus 7 inches gives us a total of 79 inches total. So we're going to cut this thing at 79 inches, lay it on the floor, take a look at it, and see how we want to cut the plates that are going to mount to the I-beam. You can take a look at this stuff. This is 1/4 inch square tubing, and it is solid stuff. There ain't nobody that's going to bend or break this square tubing here. And this is a 10-foot section, so since it's 10 foot, we're going to have less hanging off on this side of the saw, and we're going to have more length over here. So because of that, I'm going to measure it from the back side of the saw, get my 6 feet out of the back side, and then catch whatever drops off on the front side there. When you drill through this stuff, you want to try and not to drill through the weld seam. So the weld seam on this square tubing is on this side. I'm going to be drilling through the top, so I want to make sure that I put it in there in the right direction so that I'm not drilling through that weld seam. You can drill through it if you have to, but it's not ideal. It's hard. It's hard on your tools. It's hard on your drill bit. And if you hit it just right, it could actually maybe shift that hole just a little bit that you're wanting to drill through. So it's just always better to not drill through it if you don't have to. These little guys should be cool now. All right, let's get those to the bandsaw. Actually, we need to go measure where we need to cut these at. We're gonna take these back over here to the bar we just drilled out. These should fit in place like so. Perfect fit. And I need to go ahead and mark where I want these cut. Okay, so I want a little room. So I think I'm gonna mark right about in here. Give me a little wiggle room to play with. Just right about there. All right, pull this out. We will line it up with our other one here. Set it. Try and set it on top. Alright, gotta get us done. Let's go get it in the bandsaw. Alright, pretty nice. See, I got just enough sticking out the bottom here where I can weld onto it, get some meat. Let me get this other one out of the way. There we go. Just like that, and then I got a nice looking D hanging off the end here. It's all about the D. This other one in here. All right, now we gotta get this clamping situation together.